Hello everybody, let's take a look at the grade 8 Gauss contest, year 2000, question number 5. That's what we're up to in this video series. You can go back for other questions that we previously covered. So, question 5. The graph shows the complete scoring summary for the last game played by the 8 players on the Gaussian Guardians. It's Gauss paper, so they gotta work that in somewhere. Gaussian Guardians intramural basketball team. Okay. The total number of points scored by the Guardians was, okay, so here we have, I guess this is a bar graph of the points. So we count how many bars up, or how many lines up a given bar is, and that's how many each of these given players, Daniel, Curtis, and Sid, have scored. So for example, Sid, his bars were rather short. It's only one line, 2 lines high, so he scored 2 points. Whereas Daniel, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Daniel scored 7 points. So if we want the total number of points scored by the whole team, we need to add up each of these individual ones. Alright, so our first 3, we got Daniel, Curtis, Sid, Emily. So let's write down the, grab ourselves a fresh piece of paper first. And we write down, so we have Daniel, we have Curtis, Sid was the example, and I think the next one was Emily. And then it starts with a K, but I cannot remember. So Daniel scored 7 points, and we already mentioned that Sid scored 2. So let's go get the rest of the names, and then we'll start filling in this chart. So, Colin. I would have thought it might be something like Karen. Oh well, they try and have excellent range of names on these things, and they really do quite a good job. So, Kalin, or Kalin, Hyojun, Ty, and Winston. So, Kalin, Hyojun, Ty, and Winston. So what did each of these people score? Well, that's what we got to figure out by looking at the bar graph. So Curtis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we could see that much clearer by saying, oh, well, it's over the 5, clearly. How many over the 5? 6, 7, 8. So he's 3 over the 5 line, so he's 8. Alright, so Emily, well, she's beyond the 10 line, so is Hyojun. She's 1 beyond it, so that's 11, and then Hyojun is 2 beyond it, so they are 11 and 12, respectively. Okay. Ty has scored 1. Kaylin is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And Winston is 7, just like Daniel. So 1, 6, and 7. So if we want the total number of points scored, we just need to add all this up. And that's exactly what we can do. We can grab our calculator, or if you're faster working this out by hand, that's fine. I can see 15, 2, so that's 17, that's 28, plus a 6 is 34. These two together make an 8, so that's 42, plus 12 is 54. And you can work that out on your calculator as well. You'll still get 54. So 54, and what do you know, that's the first answer. So we circle or bubble in A. Okay. So now we've done the first 5 questions on this Gauss paper. We got 5 more to do in part A, and then we'll get to 10 questions in part B, and then the last part, part C's got the final 5 questions for a total of 25. So, let's not dwell on the distant future. Let's just focus ahead. Question number 6 on the Gauss paper in the very next video.